Introducing the all-new Samsung S26 Ultra, the future of smartphone design and performance. A titanium frame with curved glass edges gives the S26 Ultra a bold, futuristic profile.
At the side angle, the sleek contour and metal buttons blend perfectly with its minimal frame.
Featuring a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 144 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals.
Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, this phone delivers unmatched performance and speed.
Up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB storage let you multitask and store everything with ease.
A 200 MP main sensor with 50 MP zoom and 12 MP ultra-wide captures incredible detail.
Enjoy crystal clear images even at 100x zoom, perfect for long-distance photography.
Low-light photography shines with enhanced AI night mode and color accuracy.
A massive 5,500 mAh battery offers all-day power with 65-watt fast charging.
Supports wireless and reverse charging for your earbuds and smartwatch.
Built with aerospace-grade titanium, it ensures strength and durability.
Available in titanium gray, phantom blue, emerald green, and graphite black.
The bold, vertical camera layout reflects Samsung's premium design DNA.
Integrated AI boosts photography, app management, and real-time optimization.
Gaming and multitasking run flawlessly, thanks to advanced cooling and GPU boost.
Running on One UI 7 with Android 15, offering smooth and intelligent navigation.
Supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4 for next-gen connectivity performance. Enhanced Knox security ensures your privacy and data protection at every level. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver immersive, crystal-clear sound. Elegance meets innovation. The Samsung S26 Ultra is built for the future. Samsung S26 Ultra. Redefine the way you see technology. Coming soon.